Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get custom stickers and make your own custom stickers to send an iMessage where you can drag over any message or send it just as an image. I know I haven't been posting lately, I didn't have any ideas, so if you have any ideas, just post them in the comments below. So let's get to it. Okay, so first thing you need to do is just download PixArt from the link in the description, or you can just search it up, it's PixArt, and the logo looks something like this. Once you open it, you might need to make an account, but you could skip that. And there's also an ad that pops up, so just skip that and then just proceed with the instructions. So once you open it up, it looks something like this with this animation, and then go ahead and click on the plus at the bottom. And you can select a pre-edited photo, but I'm just going to select my logo and then just maybe adjust it a little so you can see how to edit it. Now, the editing interface in PixArt is pretty good actually. What I think I'm going to do is just add a circle background around, not a circle background, a circle border around my logo. So what I did is what I said, I added a white border around the logo, and I'm just going to change the size of it real quick. And now I need to crop it into a circle. So now I did that and I can save it. So just click next at the top right and then save. You don't have to post it. And then you could just do upload privately. You don't need to, you can download it if you want, but I'm just going to do that. Now go to iMessages and see if you have PixArt at the bottom. If you don't, there's some things to fix it. Scroll all the way right and then click more, and then there's an edit button at the top left, and there will be an option to add it. If that doesn't work, then what you want to do is just go down and look down. There will be a App Store icon, not the blue one but the gray one, which you can tap, which will show and unshow the taskbar thingy. I don't know what it's really called. But once you can see PixArt, just go ahead and click on PixArt. And if you don't see recently used private items and cutouts, then click on the person, which will be on the right, and then it will be there. Now I'm just going to go to my private items, which are my pictures that I've made. And if I hold on it, you'll be able to just drag it onto any message. You can enlarge it and decrease it. And you can put it on any message. So basically you could just cover any single message with anything. And you can also tap on it and it will send as an image, like this. And that's the really cool thing about stickers. If you're in the photos, if you click on photos like in that taskbar that I showed you, it won't do the same thing. This is just a simple trick which is really cool and I decided to make a video on. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I post videos like this once a week, so please leave a like and subscribe with notifications on so you never miss another video.